Good morning. Hi guys. Hi PreK friends. I'm so glad you could come to circle time. But wait a second. We're not at school. We're not on the carpet for our regular circle time. Guess what? I made a circle time in my house so that I could make videos and I could send them to you and we could kind of have circle time together. So we're going to do some of the same stuff that we do at school and maybe a little bit different. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to say the pledge, because always in the morning, Miss Sarah Bella says the prayer, and then we all stand up and say the pledge together. So everybody stand up, hop up on your feet, get ready, and where do we take our hand? We take it and we put it over our heart. Are you ready? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Great job. All right, guys, you can get cozy. Now, what's the thing that we usually do after we do the pledge? You're right, the calendar. So guess what? I made my very own calendar that we are going to use for our circle times. So it's still the month of March, but we're all the way down at the very, very end. It is almost even a new month. So we're going to work together to count up all these days. That's a lot of days. Do you think we can do it? I know we can do it. All right, let's go. Get your counting finger ready. All right, first we're going to point to the month, March. And if you couldn't remember, because we haven't been in school for a little bit, we might forget, we can look at that first letter, and it's an M. So we say, what sound does M make? What month starts with that sound? February? No. March. And that can sometimes help us remember too. All right, are you ready to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and today is number 30. A 3 and a 0 is 30. If we put the 0 first, would it be 30? Nah, then it would be kind of a silly way of writing 3. But 3 first and then a 0 makes 30. So we're going to put this up right next to 29. And we're going to actually walk our fingers up and see what day it is. Now this calendar is different from our one at school. This one only has letters. So we're going to have to kind of figure it out. This one has an M. What day of the week sounds like at the beginning? That's right, Monday. Today is Monday, March 30th, 2020. Awesome. All right, now the next thing that we usually do after our calendar is our weather. Now, a lot of times when we're at school, we'll sing our weather song, and somebody, maybe the star of the week, will go over and check out the window and see what the weather looks like today in our classroom. Now, we're all in different houses, and even I'm in a different state than you. So we might not be able to see the same weather. It might be a little bit different. It might be the same. So we can still sing the song, but we're gonna put up what the weather is like at my house, and then you can see what the weather's like at your house. So let's see. Let's sing the song. Are you ready? What's the weather like today? Like today, like today. What's the weather like today? Let's ask everyone. All right, so this says, what's the weather at your house? At my house, it's, and you know what? I have a window right here, and I can see that it's actually kind of two things. It looks a little bit sunny and a little bit cloudy. So I'm gonna put up both, actually. On our weather wheel, we have partly sunny, but since I was making this, I'm just gonna put it like that. So we have a little bit of sun and a little bit of clouds. Great. All right, the next thing we're gonna do, I don't have a map right now and I don't have a picture of the president, so we're gonna kind of skip some of that stuff and come back to it. But for now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna introduce our letter of the week. So let's see. All right, we've got our letter of the week spot right here, and it is letter T. Now T, we make a line down and across, or we make a line down and across, and it makes the sound T, T. Now, we're gonna have some other activities you can do, some videos that go along with letter T. But for now, I want you to just think, is there a T in my name? Let me see. I have a T in my middle name, My middle name is Smith, and Smith is S-M-I-T-H. So I have a T in my name. Do you have a T in your name? Awesome. The last thing we're going to do is our word wall. We're just going to review some of the words that we've kind of already learned, and we're going to add to it as we go. So some of the words, and you guys can read them along with me, just like we do in our classroom. I know this one looks a little differently, but it has the same words. So let's see. I, see, a, big, and, little, can, me, we, you. Great job. Guys, thank you so much for coming to my circle time today. I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Bye.